Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're diving into a common issue with the Dyson HD01 vacuum cleaner, the thermal fuse failure. If your vacuum won't turn on, it's essential to determine whether the thermal fuse is the culprit. Let's go through the steps needed to diagnose this problem. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter for testing electrical continuity, and optionally, a can of compressed air for cleaning. Begin by unplugging the vacuum from the wall. Safety is paramount, and we want to ensure no power is running through the device. Once unplugged, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, setting them aside in a safe place to avoid losing them. Carefully lift the casing off to access the internal components. Here, you're looking for the thermal fuse, typically positioned near the motor. Inspect the fuse for any visible signs of damage, such as burns or breaks. If you see nothing obvious, take your multimeter and set it to the continuity setting. Disconnect the thermal fuse from the circuit and test it. If your multimeter beeps, the fuse is fine. If it doesn't, it's likely blown and needs replacement. Before proceeding to replace the thermal fuse, ensure the interior of the vacuum is clean. Dust and debris can cause overheating, leading to thermal fuse failure. Use your compressed air to blow out any dust particles, ensuring a clean working environment. If you find that the thermal fuse is indeed blown, you can replace it with a new one. Remember, it's crucial to use a fuse that matches the specifications of your Dyson HD01. Reconnect the new fuse, and then carefully reassemble the vacuum by reversing the disassembly steps. Make sure all screws are tightened properly. A loose screw can cause further issues. Now, if you're not comfortable with these steps or don't have the necessary tools on hand, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't have to worry about transportation. With no calls and no travel involved, it's a hassle-free solution. Plus, you'll receive a quote before any repair is done. Once your vacuum is reassembled, plug it back in and turn it on. If it powers on successfully, congratulations! You've solved the problem. If it still doesn't work, the issue might be more serious, and it could be time to consider professional assistance. This step-by-step guide should help you tackle the thermal fuse issue in your Dyson HD01. Remember, maintaining your vacuum and addressing issues promptly can extend its lifespan and efficiency. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.